you're experiencing server timeout issues in Baldur's Gate 3, follow these steps to quickly resolve the problem and get back to your game. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Baldur's Gate 3 website or social media channels to see if there are any ongoing server issues or maintenance. If the servers are down, you will need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart the game. Close Baldur's Gate 3 completely and restart it. This can help refresh your connection to the game servers and may resolve any temporary issues. Step 3. Verify game files. If you're playing on Steam, right-click on the game in your library, select Properties, go to the Local Files tab, and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. This will check for any corrupted files and replace them. Step 4. Check your internet connection. Ensure your internet connection is stable. You can do this by running a speed test or trying to access other online services. If your connection is weak, consider resetting your router or switching to a wired connection. Step 5. Adjust firewall and antivirus settings. Sometimes, a firewall or antivirus software may block the game from connecting to the servers. Check your firewall settings to ensure that Baldur's Gate 3 is allowed through, or temporarily disable your antivirus to see if that resolves the issue. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the server timeout issue and enjoy your gaming experience. If problems persist, consider reaching out to the game support team for further assistance.